12-in-1 functionality. Let the air fryer do the work for you with one-touch cooking functions such as toast, roast, bake, dehydrate, chicken, fish, bacon, steak, seafood, veggies, fries, and frozen. Explore more possibilities by customizing your own cooking functions with your preferred time and temperature. Dehydrate function. Create healthy dehydrated snacks such as beef jerky and dried fruit. Wide temperature range. Tackle any dish with air frying temperatures ranging from 190 degrees to 450 degrees F and dehydrating temperatures ranging from 100 degrees to 180 degrees F. Max 450 improves the 30% heating rate. Healthier meals. Cooking with the air fryer allows you to make the same foods you normally enjoy deep fried but with 85% less oil. Meet your health goals without sacrificing your favorite foods. Large capacity. The air fryer oven can cook enough food for the whole family without taking up too much counter space. Including a 5 lb chicken. Smart control. Choose settings and monitor the cooking process remotely on your smartphone with the free VSync app. Enjoy hands-free cooking through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Over 100+ online recipes are updated constantly in VSync, so you can cook with no guesswork. Extra 6 accessories: 7 quarts air frying basket, wire rack, crumb tray, broiler rack, crisper plate, and 2 dehydrating racks. Easy cleaning. The basket's non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe accessories make cleanup a breeze. Specifications. The air fryer oven can only be used with a voltage of AC 120V, 60 Hz in the US and Canada. ETL listed. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing and versatile. This air fryer is worth the price. With all the accessories and the app support, it is simply amazing. Food is cooked perfectly, and cleaning is a cinch.